Hello, would you like to build a career as a business analyst? My name is Joy and welcome to Bizmarrow School of Business Analysis. Ready to kickstart your career as a business analyst? Well, you are in for a game-changing journey. Business intelligence analysis is not just a skill, it's a global demand that pays very well. For over 12 years, we've been more than just a school, we've been a tech training fortress. We are here to shape your career path and land you that dream job with a paycheck you deserve. In just a few months, we'll have you mastering the in-demand digital skills that takes you from a tech rookie to an industry-ready business analysis expert. No degree, not a problem. No tech experience, that's okay. We believe in learning that's not just theoretical, but hands-on, current and workplace demand savvy. Bizmarrow Tech School is different from the traditional university institution. We are a tech school for individuals looking to gain practical hands-on technical skills and kickstart a career in tech. At Bizmarrow, we are not just a tech school, we are your tickets to a successful career in business analysis. Ready to kickstart your journey? Visit our website now and take the first step towards becoming a complete expert. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the business analysis class. Don't forget to visit our website to learn more and register for our business analysis training. Take that step now and build the future you want. Bye.